Sytronix is a servo-driven pump system built on the concept of the smart interplay of hydraulics and electronics. Sytronix delivers both a demand-oriented volume flow and closed-loop control of pressure, volume, position, and force. Its ability to accurately control and hold a component in place with zero energy loss makes the Sytronix ideal for piercing and holding operations. The benefits of Sytronix technology include increased energy efficiency, noise reduction, improved machine lifetime, reduced footprints, and easy integration. These systems can help streamline processes like plastic injection molding, pressing, clamping, and die casting. With a variable speed design that runs only when power is required, Sytronix systems increase energy efficiency. Couple this with the demand-oriented flow and pressure supply, and you can see savings from 30 to 80%. Another benefit of variable speed is reduced motor noise, which requires less sound insulation and leads to higher employee satisfaction. Also, since the system generates less heat, oil quality is maintained, components last longer, and less oil is required. Typically, a Sytronix unit includes a pump, motor, servo controller, pressure transducer, and reservoir. This base pump motor combination from Rexroth includes an internal gear pump and synchronous servo motor. But fixed and variable displacement piston pumps are also available in other configurations. The annular-toothed hollow shaft of the synchronous servo motor enables direct coupling of the pump and motor, which minimizes inertia for faster response. And they are controlled by an Indra-drive servo controller. Since the motor, pump, and reservoir can be optimally utilized, they have smaller dimensions, reducing overall machine footprint. Hydraulic cooling systems can also be downsized or eliminated, making the overall size of the machine smaller. And if that wasn't enough, the reservoir for a Sytronix unit is up to 65% smaller than those of a conventional unit. The flexible control tool functions of the Sytronix unit allow it to be easily integrated into an existing system. With its advanced diagnostics and condition monitoring, a Sytronix system helps avoid cost-intensive machine failures. Intrigued enough to enjoy some of these benefits for free in your own facility? Why not take the Sytronix challenge today? Start by contacting your local Morrell Group technical salesperson. We will schedule an energy audit of your existing system and record up to a week's worth of operating cycles to gather sufficient data. Next, we will install our Morrell Group Sytronix demo on that same system and continue to record energy use. After a week, we will create a detailed energy report comparing your energy use both with and without the Sytronix system in place. We are betting the report will show increased energy and cost savings with Sytronix. The next step, then, will be up to you. Contact Morrell Group today to begin the Sytronix challenge.